Hello! Welcome to Ball 360 TV. In this channel, we upload videos about NBA. In this video, we will discuss the current team standing, November 16, 2024, and the games to be played tomorrow, November 17, 2024. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and press the like button to help our channel grow. In our first game, Bam Adebayo propelled Heat as they beat Pacers 124-111. Bam Adebayo had 30 points, 11 rebounds, and 7 assists, and Tyrese Haliburton led Pacers with 18 points and 8 assists. Orlando Magic win 98-86 in NBA Cup, dropping 76ers to 2-10 record. Franz Wagner has 31 points, 11 rebounds, and 6 assists, and Jared McCain has 29 points, 1 rebound, and 4 assists for the 76ers. Detroit Pistons remain undefeated in the NBA Cup as they beat Toronto Raptors 99-95. Malik Beasley led the Detroit with 20 points and 3 rebounds, while Joel Poelty has 25 points, 18 big rebounds, and 3 blocks for the Toronto Raptors. Atlanta Hawks beat Washington Wizards and moved to 2-0 in NBA Cup. Atlanta outscored Washington in the second quarter 30-11. Dyson Daniels led Atlanta with 25 points, 4 rebounds, and 6 steals, and Alexander Czar led the Wizards with 20 points, 7 rebounds, and 4 steals. The Cleveland Cavaliers stayed perfect and improved to 14-0 with 144-126 win over the Bulls. They outscored Chicago 49-34 in the first quarter. Donovan Mitchell led the Cavaliers with 37 points, 7 rebounds, and 7 assists, while Nikola Vucevic has 25 points, 8 rebounds, and 2 assists. New York Knicks defeat Brooklyn Nets 124-122. Jalen Brunson has 37 points, 3 rebounds, and 7 assists for the Knicks, and Cam Thomas has 43 points, 2 rebounds, and 3 assists. Los Angeles Lakers pass San Antonio Spurs 120-115 to open NBA Cup title defense. Anthony Davis has 40 big points, 12 rebounds, and 2 assists, while Victor Wembanyama has 28 points, 15 big rebounds, and 5 assists for the Spurs. The Houston Rockets rout Los Angeles Clippers 125-104 in NBA Cup play. Jabari Smith Jr. led the Rockets with 28 points, 11 rebounds, and 1 assist, and James Harden led the Los Angeles Clippers with 21 points, 6 rebounds, and 2 assists. The Orleans Pelicans pass Jokic-less Denver Nuggets 101-94 to end their 6-game losing streak. Brandon Ingram led the Pelicans with 29 points, 9 rebounds, and 7 assists, and Michael Porter Jr. led the Nuggets with 24 points, 6 rebounds, and 3 assists. The OKC Thunder beat Phoenix Suns 99-83 in NBA Cup. OKC outscored Phoenix 29-14 in the first quarter. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander lead Oklahoma City Thunder with 28 points, 6 rebounds, and 4 assists, while Josh Okogie lead Phoenix Suns with 15 points, 9 rebounds, and 1 assist. The Golden State Warriors balanced scoring past Grizzlies 123-118. Draymond Green led the Warriors with 13 points, 8 rebounds, and 7 assists, while Jaren Jackson Jr. led the Memphis 32 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist. The Minnesota Timberwolves beat Sacramento Kings in overtime 130-126. They outscored the Kings 15-11 in overtime. Anthony Edwards led the Minnesota Timberwolves with 36 points, 5 rebounds, and 2 assists, while De'Aaron Fox has a franchise record 60 points, 7 rebounds, and 3 steals for the Kings. And now, here is the team standings for the Eastern Conference. The number 1 team is the Cleveland Cavaliers with 14-0 record. Number 2 is the Boston Celtics with 10-3 record. Number 3 is the Orlando Magic with 8-6 record and on their 5-game winning streak. Number 4 is the New York Knicks with 6-6 record. Atlanta climbed to number 5 with 6-7 record and on their 2-game winning streak. Miami is at number 6 with 5-6 record. Number 7 is the Detroit Pistons with 6-8 record. Number 8 is the Indiana Pacers with 5-7 record and on their 2-game losing streak. Number 9 is the Brooklyn Nets with 5-8 record and on their 2-game losing streak. And number 10 is the Chicago Bulls with 5-8 record. Number 11 is the Charlotte Hornets with 4-7 record and on their 2-game losing streak. 12 is the Milwaukee Bucks, 4-8, 2-game winning streak. Number 13 is the Washington Wizards with 2-9 record and on their 7-game losing skid. Number 14 is the Philadelphia 76ers, 2-10 record on their 3-game losing streak. And number 15 is the Toronto Raptors, 2-11 record and on their 6-game losing streak. And here is the team standings for the Western Conference. Number 1 team is the Oklahoma City Thunder, 11-2 record. Number 2 is the Golden State Warriors, 10-2 record on their 3-game winning streak. Number 3 is the Houston Rockets, 9-4 record on their 4-game winning streak. Number 4 is the Phoenix Suns, 9-4 record on their 2-game losing streak. Number 5 is the Los Angeles Lakers, 8-4 record on their 4-game winning streak. And number 6 is the Denver Nuggets, 7-4 record. Number 7 is the Minnesota Timberwolves, 7-6 record. Number 8 is the Memphis Grizzlies with 7-6 record and on their 2-game losing streak. Number 9 is the Sacramento Kings, 7-6 record. And number 10 is the Los Angeles Clippers with 6-7 record and on their 3-game losing streak. Number 11 is the San Antonio Spurs, 6-7 record and on their 3-game losing streak. Number 12 is the Dallas Mavericks, 5-7 record, 4-game losing skid. Number 13 is the Portland Trail Blazers, 5-8 record and on their 2-game winning streak. Number 14 is the New Orleans Pelicans, 4-9 record. And number 15 is the Utah Jazz with 3-8 record and on their 6-game losing skid. Here are the games tomorrow, November 17, 2024. LaMelo Ball and the Hornets will face Giannis Antetokounmpo and Milwaukee Bucks in Spectrum Center at 4 a.m. RJ Barrett and the Toronto Raptors will visit Jason Tatum and the Boston Celtics at TD Garden 9 a.m. Anthony Davis and the Lakers will play their back-to-back game against Brandon Ingram and the Pelicans in Smoothie King Center at 9 a.m. Wembanyama and the San Antonio Spurs will visit Luka Doncic and the Dallas Mavericks in American Airlines Center at 9 a.m. John Collins and the Utah Jazz will face Domantas Sabonis and the Sacramento Kings in Golden One Center at 9 a.m. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow. Thank you very much, everyone.